Hi there. In this video I'm gonna show you how to activate DOORDASH Crimson card, so stay until the end to know exactly how you can do this. First, make sure you have downloaded the DOORDASH driver app from the Google Play Store. This is the app you will use to activate and manage your Crimson card. Once the app is installed, open it and go to the earnings section. There are two ways to get there. You can simply tap on the earnings tab at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, and the other option, you can tap the menu icon on the top left and select earnings. It's very simple. You will see this. You can see all the info from DoorDash Crimson card, free instant payouts, 2% cashback on gas, and more options. And you have to click on Get Start, and you will enter the details that the app asks to you. Once you enter the details, you are gonna see this message: you have been approved. Your earnings will now be paid to your Crimson account. And if you click on this button, View Virtual Card, you will see your balance here of your card, and here you have more options like transfer funds, transaction, find ATMs to withdraw your money, and manage card. That's it. Your Crimson card is ready to go. Thank you for watching.